Hello everyone, my name is Nishwan Timothy Lasono Putra with name 2023-32152 from Class B Information System, and today I will explain my web programming project. This project consists of two parts, an HTML file and a CSS file. I will walk you through the code line by line and also show you how it looks when we open it in a browser. So let's get started. First, HTML code. First, let's start with the HTML file. At the very top, I declare doctype HTML. This tells the browser that the document type is HTML5, which is the latest standard for building website. Next, I open the HTML tag and see the language to Indonesian using lang ID. Inside the head section, I add a meta tag to set the character encoding to UTF-8. UTF-8 is important because it supports many languages and special character, not just English. Then I set the title web page to laporan 2 with the title tag. The title will appear on the browser tab when the page is open. After that, I link the external CSS file by using a link tag with rel style sheet and ref style CSS. Okay, by link in the CSS separately, we can keep the HTML clean and make the styling easier to manage. Now let's move the body section. Okay, I create a heading 1. Let's say ini adalah laporan kedua dari mata kuliah pemrograman web. This heading use a class judul laporan to apply custom style from the CSS file. After that, I add another heading 1 for my name, Nishwan Timothy Lasono Putra. Okay, this I assign in the class name, the class nama, which will make it stand out with different colors and a font size. Then I insert a heading 2 for my student ID or name. The smaller heading show that this information is important but less prominent than the name. Next, I add two paragraph 1, paragraph 2. In the first paragraph, I use the class paragraph 1 to center the text. I also use the mark tag with a class mark biru to highlight the word ipsum in blue with yellow text. In the second paragraph, I apply the class paragraph 2 to align the text to the right. I use another mark that with a class mark kuning to highlight the word Ahmed with a yellow background. Okay, finally, at the bottom, I create a YouTube link inside a heading 2 tag using the class link YT. The link open in a new tab because I add the target blank attribute. And this is closing body tag and closing HTML tag. Okay, next move CSS. Now let's move on to the CSS file, which is named style CSS. CSS is short for cascading style sheet. It allows you to control how HTML elements look on the page. First, I steal the report title. The class judul laporan set the font size to 16 pixel, making it look neat and not too large. Then I style my name or nama using the class nama. I give it a blue background color, yellow text color, and a large font size of 29 pixel. This makes my name more eye-catching compared to the title. Next, and the class name is used for my student ID. I set the text color to blue and the font size to 29 pixel too as well, keeping the design consistent. For the first paragraph 1, class paragraph 1, I centered the text horizontally and set the font size to 18.7 pixel. And the second paragraph, class paragraph 2, align the text to the right and has a slightly bigger font size of 19 pixel. Now let's talk about the highlight word. The class mark biru set a blue background and yellow text color for the word ipsum. Meanwhile, the class mark kuning give a yellow background color to the word Ahmed. Okay, finally, the class link YouTube or link UT style link to YouTube. I make the color black, remove the underline by setting text decorating to none, and set the font size to 24 pixel. The style make the link look cleaner and more professional. Okay, now we move to the output. We open browser, Google Chrome, and zoom 150. Okay, now when we open this HTML file in a browser, here what we will see at the top. The reported title is shown with normal font size. Next, below that, my name appear with a blue background and yellow text looking very bold and strong. Underneath my name, my student ID is displayed with a similar blue color. Then we see in the first paragraph centered nicely. In the middle of the text, the word ipsum is highlighted with a blue background and yellow letters. After that, the second paragraph appears aligned to the right. Inside it, the word Ahmed is highlighted in yellow background. Okay, finally, at the bottom, there is a clickable link that says link not to YouTube. When we click it, it opens YouTube in a new tab. Okay, open the YouTube, yes. Okay, so that is the full explanation of my HTML and CSS project. By separating the structure and style, my code become much more organized and easier to update. Thank you. so much for watching and bye bye.